Hey, I'm David. Today I'm going to show you how to test the surface element switch on an electric Whirlpool range with a cooktop element that won't heat. The surface element switch controls the power to the heating elements on your cooktop so you can adjust the temperature to the desired setting. Before we get started, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss our latest repair guides. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. First, we're going to get our tools together. All we need today is a multimeter. And please remember to always keep safety first. For this test, the range needs to be plugged in and powered on. Please be careful to protect yourself from electrical shock, which has the potential to cause serious injuries. Don't ever test live voltage if you're uncomfortable using a multimeter. We're going to remove the element and the drip pan and then use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the single screw that's holding the receptacle. Then we can set a multimeter to AC voltage. You're going to put one probe in one slot of the terminal block and the other probe in the other slot, then turn the switch on. If your multimeter reads 240 volts AC, then your switch is sending the right amount of voltage to the element. If the voltage isn't correct, there's either incorrect voltage going to the switch, or the switch is defective and not sending the right amount of voltage to the element. And what about the wiring? Do you see any burn marks there? That could be preventing voltage from getting to the element. If the other elements are working, then there is most likely a problem with the switch. When you're done testing, you need to use the single screw to secure it to the top, then put the drip pan in. Once you insert the element, you're done. If you need a replacement surface element switch, grab your model number and go to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. If you want to see how you can replace the surface element, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for joining us today.